Hi, my name is Anas. I'm from Malaysia, from the project department from my company Seco that just I mentioned. We had a tour around the factory today. I mean, the most stood out process that I impressed is on your management system. Okay, you have the ERP, the system that can manage all the activities that are currently doing or currently happening in the factory. So you can have the real-time updates on the progress, what is currently happening in the factory. So that's good. I mean, it's all documented. On the manufacturing side, I saw the machines. It's quite advanced for me, and it's very impressive. For example, you have a semi-auto welding machine. It's good. I mean, it could help to minimize the human error. The quality standards in ERGIL, I think they're quite competent on doing the standard manufacturing process. They have competency in the welding, competencies in managing the qualities. Okay, and I saw that and again, it is all documented. It is all in a system that you can control, that you can monitor. So that's good from ERGIL side. It's my first time collaborating with a Turkish company, and I could say in short, I'm impressed by the technological advancement here. Their mother company, ERGIL. So German standards is, they said the German standards is the top standards in the world. So yeah, welcome.